Your goal is to make her love you. Everything you do is geared toward making her like you back or even love you. That's all you want, and all you can think about whenever she's around. In fact, even when she's not around. Is she really worth all this? She's just a person, after all. You're an expert at putting women on a pedestal, and they don't really need to be there. She doesn't need to do anything to earn your love. Everything is effortless for her, because you hand everything over on a plate. You don't even give her anything to work toward. You hand it all over, the slightest bit of hesitation. We're talking about confidence issues here again. You defend and admire women. Now, this doesn't sound like a bad thing, does it? In effect, it's not. But you're not doing it for the right reasons. Admiring women is great, but you should do it because that one particular woman is someone you truly love, and that she loves you back. As for defending women, go for it, but only do it when it's necessary, not because you're trying to get into someone's pants. You're chivalrous and kind. Again, there should be no issues here, but you're doing it for the wrong reasons. Be kind and be chivalrous, because that's a genuine part of who you are, not because you're trying to get someone to like you.